Myself, P.V. Kulkarni, Department of Mathematics, Assistant Professor. Name of the institute is Sri Madhavrao Patil Mahavidyalaya Murum, District Usmanabad, State Maharashtra. I am going to share some ideas about differential equation through some PPTs they have made by me. Introduction. The non-deterministic nature of phenomena in the general areas of biological engineering, oceanographic and physical science, the mathematical description of such phenomena frequently result in random equations. It is to present a theoretical result concerning certain classes of random equations and then to apply those results to problems that arise in the general areas. Usually, the mathematical models or the equations that have been used to describe particular phenomena or process of the universe contains a parameter which has some specific physical interpretation but whose value is not known. If any such phenomena involving mentioned parameters and which satisfy certain probabilistic and major theoretic behavior with respect to this parameter, then we say it is a random phenomena. For example, in the theory of diffusion or heat conduction, we have the diffusion coefficient or the coefficient of conductivity play the important role. Similarly, in the case of wave theory, the propagation coefficient and in the theory of elasticity, the modulus of elasticity play the significant role in the behavior of the underlying process. Thus, the coefficients or parameters that have an important role to play in the nature and physical phenomena like above are called random parameters. Next slide. What are the objectives? The present work highlights the following achievements. One of them is existence of extremal random solutions and uniqueness results for non-linear random boundary value problems as well as non-linear random initial value problems. Second achievement is qualitative study of random solutions for stability, asymptoticity, positivity and attractivity of random solutions for non-linear random initial value problems as well as non-linear random boundary value problems. And the third achievement is apply these results, that is applications. Now, which method we are going to use? There are mainly three approaches or methods for dealing with the nonlinear random differential equation, such as one is approximation method, second one is measurable selection method, and third one is random fixed point method. Summary: existence of solutions and of extremal random solutions are proved for periodic boundary value problems of fourth order random differential equations. Our investigation is done in the space of continuous real valued functions defined on closed and bounded intervals. Also, we study the application of random version of a nonlinear alternative of Lares-Quadrat type and an algebraic random fixed point theorem by Dage. Thank you.